That's how easily you can set up a under construction page for your WordPress website. Let's begin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left panel, click on Plugins and then click Add New. In search box, type under construction and wait for the results. Install this plugin. I already installed it, so I will just click activate. Perfect. Go to the under construction plugin and click on settings. Here you can see the plugin dashboard. Turn on the under construction mode, click on the design menu. You will see a lot of available themes. You can preview a theme before activating it. For now, I will choose this one, preview it and click activate. Finally, go back to the main menu and save all settings. Done. Now visit your website and you can see the under construction mode is activated.